needle, needle. Example: I used a needle to sew the button back onto my shirt. Thread, thread. Example: she passed the thread through the needle to start stitching. Pin, pin. Example: he used a pin to attach the notes to the board. Clip, clip. Example: she used a clip to hold her papers together. Rope, rope. Example: the climber secured himself with a rope before ascending the mountain. Staple, staple. The documents were fastened together with a staple. Glue, glue. Example: I used glue to attach the pieces of the broken vase. Zipper, zipper. She pulled up the zipper on her jacket before going outside. Velcro, velcro. Example: the child's shoes have velcro instead of laces. Safety pin. She used a safety pin to fix the tear in her dress. Bolt. Example: the mechanic tightened the bolt on the machine. Nut. He fastened the nut onto the bolt to secure the joint. Screw. Example: the carpenter screwed the shelves onto the wall. Nail. He hammered a nail into the wall to hang the picture. Hook. She hung her coat on the hook by the door. Snap button. The jacket has snap buttons instead of a zipper. Cufflink. Example: he wore gold cufflinks with his suit. Belt. Example: he fastened his belt before leaving the house. Chain. Example: she wore a gold chain around her neck. Rubber band. Example: he used a rubber band to tie the bundle of papers together. Tie. Example: she tied the gift with a ribbon. Button. Example: he buttoned his coat before stepping outside. Buckle. Example: she buckled her seatbelt before driving. Latch. Example: he fastened the latch on the garden gate. Tack. Example: she used a tack to pin the poster on the wall. Peg. Example: he hung his hat on a peg by the door. Binder clip. Example: I used a binder clip to keep the pages together. Paper fastener. Example: she used a paper fastener to bind her project. Carabiner. Example: the climber attached the rope to his harness with a carabiner. String. Example: he tied the package with a piece of string. Cable tie. Example: I used a cable tie to organize the wires. Lace. Example: his shoes have long, thick laces. Sewing hook. Example: the dress was fastened with a small sewing hook at the back. Snap hook. Example: he attached the keychain to his belt loop with a snap hook. Ribbon. Example: she tied the bouquet with a satin ribbon. Adhesive tape. Example: he used adhesive tape to stick the poster to the wall. Lock. Example: they secured the door with a heavy lock. Clamp. Example: the mechanic used a clamp to hold the pipes together. Hook and loop fastener. Example: her shoes have a hook and loop fastener instead of laces. Rivet. Example: the metal sheets were held together with strong rivets. Ring. Example: she keeps all her keys on a single ring. Clothespin. She used a clothespin to hang the wet clothes on the line. Stapler. I used a stapler to attach the documents together. Grommet. The curtains were hung using grommets for easy sliding. Bobby pin. She secured her hair with a bobby pin. Magnet. She used a magnet to attach the shopping list to the fridge.